Hello viewers, welcome to Big Nine Wonders. As always, we bring the amazing side of Africa. Today we are on our way to Sezibwa Waterfalls, which is in Jinja side. As you are approaching Jinja from Kampala, there is this beautiful waterfall called Sezibwa Falls. It's where we are going right now. When you reach there, there is this rock that you have to climb. As you can see, you climb this rock, and when you reach on the top, that's when you really feel the adventure. You feel the adventure, and it's really when you have the feeling of the freshness of this amazing waterfall. It's an experience that you guys, I cannot explain fully. It's an experience that you have to feel, and you have to feel it yourself to understand what I mean. But we are now moving towards the top of the falls. This is where we are going so that we can capture a view, the best view of this spectacular waterfall that we have on the way to Jinja. It is amazing, as you can see these beautiful rocks. Of course, every waterfall, there must be rocks there, mainly where the water falls, literally. And it's where we are going now. These are the rocks that you can see on the way. We shall move together up to this amazing point where we shall see this water flowing. Should be noted that the formation of this waterfall can be given a scientific explanation, but the locals here, they have their own explanation of how this waterfall came into existence. Actually, when you visit this place, you will get the history of this place. Then you will come to appreciate how the locals believe that this waterfall is special to them, and it is so amazing. We are here on our way to the top of this fall. You can see this beautiful river, the beautiful water here, and now here we are approaching the top of the falls to give you the good view, the spectacular view of this amazing place. When you come here, there is a very good environment, very calm, just water flowing, and then you really feel that is amazing. Wow, look at this. This is so amazing, and you can experience this only when you visit Sezibwa Waterfalls, which is on the way from Jinja. Look at this. This is exactly at the top of the falls, as you can see the water. This is the top of the falls, and it's where you have to appreciate the view of this waterfall, and then you can go to another view of the falls from the bottom side. But this is the top side of the waterfall, as you can see it here in the picture. This is so amazing, guys. We shall show you this side, and then after this, we shall take you to the bottom. But we first want to show you how amazing this place is, which is at the top of the falls. This is the top of the falls of Sezibwa. It is found on the way from Jinja to Kampala. You can have a look. One time you can pass there and have this amazing experience. Guys, thank you, guys. We are going to show you this one, and then we take you to the bottom of the falls, which we hope you will enjoy and have this amazing experience that really we cannot explain much, but we hope you will come with us so that you can enjoy this one together with us. Normally at this point, it's where people stand to appreciate this amazing place. As you can see, this is the place where you will see the strength of this water, which is amazing. This is how you see the strong rapids of this water, and then you see where it starts its journey down, where we shall show you in the coming side of this video. It is amazing, and I hope that you guys can one time come to this place to experience it by yourselves, because I cannot explain everything about this waterfall, but when you come yourself, you can know more about this waterfall and you can appreciate it. It is so amazing, guys. I am going to show you this, and then we shall go together. I ask you to come with me to up to the bottom of the falls, where you have another view of this amazing waterfall, which you guys, I hope you will enjoy, and you will take as an aspiration that one time you can also visit this amazing place, which is found here in Uganda. Actually, it is in Lugazi side. Lugazi side, as you are on your way from Kampala to Jinja.
Hello guys, we are still here. We are still here at the top of the falls. We are still here at the top of Sezibwa waterfall. Here near Lugazi, which is on the way from Jinja to Kampala, or from Kampala to Jinja. Both ways. It's just amazing the pictures here. The place is so nice, so cool. This is the top of the falls, and you can up down there where you can see you can have a better view of this amazing waterfall. Where we are here is on the top, and it's very amazing and it's nice for it's a nice where you can come and hike. It is a nice place for hiking like that. This rock here, this one here, they make the place beautiful. There is also this flowing water, which is so amazing. Look at this water here. It is so amazing. So amazing. It makes the place cool, makes the place very nice. Guys, our channel is committed to bring you all of the amazing sights of Uganda. To bring you all of these beautiful places that you can really enjoy. And we encourage that when you find the places so amazing and attractive, please give it a like in this video. You can share it with your friends. This is an inspiration we hope that can inspire you to come and visit this amazing place. There are so many places which are nice in Uganda that you should not miss out. And the Sezibwa waterfall is one of them. We shall come to the bottom of the falls right now, which we shall show you, and you will have amazing experience of how the Sezibwa waterfall looks like.
Guys, welcome to the bottom of the falls. This is the bottom, as you see, of the falls at Sezibwa. This is Sezibwa waterfalls at the bottom, where you have the spectacular view of the falls and you feel the strength of this amazing waterfall. As I have told you before, there is an explanation of the locals here how this waterfall came to exist. There is one woman called Sezibwa who produced this waterfall, and this woman is still recognized and respected in this area. You can think of an explanation of how the waterfalls can exist scientifically, but these people here, they have a belief that it was produced by one lady called Sezibwa, and thus comes the name Sezibwa waterfalls. Literally, it is the waterfalls that were produced by one woman called Sezibwa, and that's why it is called Sezibwa waterfalls. And many people around this place, they respect this place and they know that it was produced by one of their locals, which is so amazing. When you come here, you can get your own explanation. You can have an amazing experience of this place, as you can also interact with the local people and see how they take this place to be a very holy, good place, how they respect this place, and how they believe that it is produced by one of them. So amazing. When you get time, please, you can come to this amazing place if you have a chance, and you enjoy this amazing experience that we are trying to explain to you, but you can know and get by experiencing it yourself. So amazing, guys. We ask you to keep watching this video and other videos where we bring you the amazing side of Africa. We bring you all of these videos, all of these places that are in Uganda, so that it can be an inspiration to you to come and visit Uganda. Thank you so much, guys. Let me show you exactly where this place is and how it feels.